got a background in prosthetics, which is artificial limb making. I'm retired now for about 4 years. And for a long time while I was doing prosthetics, I wanted to get into making metal art sculpture. So about 4 years ago, I took a few classes in metal shaping using the power hammer, English wheel. But my first introduction to HGR was back in the day. There was always a sale after Thanksgiving, so I started coming up here with my cousin, and I was just amazed at how big this place and all the equipment and industrial materials. So I figured this would be a great opportunity for me to find items that I could use with making my art. I would say the variety. Sometimes I don't know exactly what I'm searching for. Great online websites so you can get an idea of what's in stock at the warehouse. But I tell you, it's amazing to walk through each of the aisles and see all this stuff in real life. So it's the website, the warehouse, and frankly, the staff are very friendly. So I think what's important is in the last, let's say, couple of months, you guys did an upgrade to your website. Frankly, in the old days, it was a bit slow, but now it's streamlined, it's easy to navigate, and now with the inclusion of different sites down south, which are included in the website, it's easy to see what's available. So I primarily use Instagram, which is linked into my Facebook page. But my Instagram account is called Killer Gene, which is KillerJeanne. So you'll find a whole array of metal sculpture, and I'm also doing alternative fashion. And with the alternative fashion, I usually find industrial materials that I get here at HGR and then incorporate them into one of my outfits, and this includes O-rings. I've used O-rings and grommets, and also stainless steel sheet metal, which I cut up and use a power hammer to give shapes. HGR, when I first started coming here, I was a bit intimidated because big industrial machinery, lathes, robots, and I'm more of a hobbyist. But with time, I learned how to shop at HGR, and plus with the staff being very nice, it's a great place for someone that's got a huge fab shop, or like me, who's a hobbyist. You guys are very accommodating. Paint, coveralls, electrical work, motors. I enjoy the hardware section, the tooling section. In fact, recently I just bought a light housing that I'm going to make out of a dress, and also some of these safety mirrors. I'm going to do something for an outfit. So I guess walking through all the aisles, you meet people that are also doing the same thing. They may not know exactly what they're looking for, but if there's something that's interesting, and I always ask them, did you find any treasures? And they usually say, I'm looking.